Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have got a quick one pot meal for y'all. Okay, so I started off with a teaspoon of butter and teaspoon of olive oil in a hot skillet with some minced garlic. I just used the jarred kind from Walmart and a sliced chicken breast. I've got my broccoli and my bow tie pasta coming to a boil in the same pot. It's just quick and easy to heat them up together that way. Once my pasta is cooked through, I added my chicken. A jar of Alfredo sauce. I just added water to my jar to get the rest of the sauce out of there and added it into the pot, and salt and pepper to taste. Stirred all that together and served it with a side of Texas toast. It's super simple, guys. Hope you enjoy.